In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your membership on Whop. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to click on your profile, and then after that just scroll down on the left side, click on memberships, just left click on it, and here you can access all of your memberships. On the active tab you can see that I don't have any memberships here, and for the lifetime, for the awaiting approval, and inactive memberships. You can easily transfer your membership on Whop if you have any here. Just click the three dots that's located at the right of it and you will find the transfer button. So this is a cool feature that will allow you to transfer your membership on Whop to different accounts if you want as well. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.